Hey everyone! Welcome back to Coach Manish, the channel where we guide students through the maze of tech careers. Today's topic is one of the most in-demand and beginner-friendly fields in tech: web development. If you're wondering whether to choose front-end, back-end, or full-stack development, or if you're just confused about how to get started, this video will give you all the answers. Let's begin. Why choose web development? Almost every company today needs a website or web application, whether it's an e-commerce store, a streaming service, a blog, or a portfolio site. That's why web developers are always in demand. India's tech services sector alone is expected to hire more than 1 million developers over the next few years. And the best part? Web development is beginner-friendly. You can start learning from home, build real projects, and even earn as a freelancer or intern before landing a full-time job. Understanding the three main roles. Let's break down the different types of web developers. 1. Front-end developer. They design and build the parts of a website you see and interact with, like buttons, menus, and layout. Think HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Angular. 2. Back-end developer. They handle everything behind the scenes: servers, databases, APIs, and security. Technologies include Node.js, Python, Java, PHP, and databases like MySQL and MongoDB. 3. Full-stack developer. A mix of both front-end and back-end. Full-stack developers can build complete web apps from start to finish. This role is popular in startups and freelancing. Skills you need to succeed? Let's talk about what you need to learn step by step. 1. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Start with the basics. These three are your web development foundation. 2. Responsive design. Learn how to make websites mobile-friendly using CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS. 3. Git and GitHub. Version control is a must. It helps you track code changes and collaborate with others. 4. JavaScript frameworks. React.js is the most popular front-end framework today. Vue and Angular are also used widely. 5. Back-end language. Choose one: Node.js with Express, Python with Django or Flask, or even PHP if you're targeting WordPress sites. 6. Databases. Start with MongoDB, NoSQL, or MySQL/PostgreSQL, SQL-based. Understand how to store and retrieve data. 7. APIs and authentication. Learn how to work with REST APIs and implement login/sign-up systems using tokens and sessions. 8. Deployment. Learn how to deploy websites on platforms like Netlify, Vercel, or Render.com. For full-stack apps, try Heroku or AWS. Learning pathways. There are so many ways to become a web developer. 1. Formal degree. AB.Tech or BCA in computer science can help, but it's not mandatory. 2. Online platforms. Web development courses from FreeCodeCamp, Codecademy, Coursera, and Udemy are great starting points. 3. YouTube channels. Check out channels like the Net Ninja, Traversy Media, and Code with Harry in Hindi. 4. Coding bootcamps. If you want job-ready skills fast, join coding bootcamps like Masai School, Newton School, or Scalar Academy. 5. Practice platforms. Build projects and test your skills on HackerRank, CodeWars, and Frontend Mentor. How to gain experience. 1. Build projects. Start with small projects like to-do apps, portfolios, calculators, and then level up to blogs, e-commerce sites, and full dashboards. 2. Internships. Apply for internships on Internshula, LinkedIn, and AngelList. Even unpaid internships can give you solid experience. 3. Freelancing. Start with simple gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. Offer services like landing page design or bug fixing. 4. GitHub portfolio. Push all your projects to GitHub. Add a README explaining what the project does. This builds trust with employers. 5. Open source. Contribute to open source projects. You'll learn how to work with large codebases and real-world tools. What's the future like? Web development isn't going anywhere, it's evolving. Web 3, progressive web apps, PWAs, and AI-powered websites are on the rise. Mastering fundamentals now sets you up for long-term success. Companies also love developers who understand performance optimization, accessibility, and security. These are next-level skills that can set you apart. Final tips for success. 1. Learn by building. Don't get stuck watching tutorials. Start making things from day one. 2. Join communities. Be part of web dev discords, Reddit forums, or WhatsApp groups. You'll find mentors and opportunities. 3. Stay updated. Follow devs on Twitter, read blogs on dev.to or #node, and subscribe to newsletters like JavaScript Weekly. 4. Be consistent. It's okay if it takes 6 months to get confident. What matters is daily progress. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coach Manish.